picture?
Guys, today
I can't see myself.
we're gonna be doing actually kind of one thing as like car racing. I have my car right here, and my belly got his car, and we have another car that we really don't use that much right here, and it's pretty cool. I don't know. And I'm gonna just turn this off because nobody's using it. Unless Bentley, you wanna go get the controller? Use this one because this one actually kind of sucks. Like if you try to use this, it would just turn. Belly, what? It goes to this. Goes to this button. And yeah, let's get started, Danny. And I'll just put this one up here. And I have the wrong.
Hey guys!
Hey.
What? Yeah! Yeah!
Wipe out.
Van, watch out! He watches cars, oh yeah.
Ben, watch out.
And guys.
Oh, that hurt.
No, right.
That stuff.
It was a wreck. It crashed. You hit the ball.
Ow.
Yeah. Don't hit the goal.
They're both cards, I think. Maybe we're going to do another video of this because it turned out to be really terrible. And drop a like subscribe on Bentley's YouTube channel. He has one. He started it a few days ago. I mean, yeah. And we're about to have a party right now. So, goodbye.